never know what a homestead is going to throw at you. Here are just a few things we did on the homestead this weekend. Miss Matilda's neck began getting quadruple rolls. Miss Dixie stopped eating, so she got medicine from the lawn. Chaffles, anyone? Collected the eggs. Welcomed 7 baby bunnies. Matilda is a happy first-time mama. Continued dieting. I have 1 week to go before my 3-month mark, and I have lost over 98 pounds. I shook all of the tinctures that I am making. Watched the cat in its own little world. Fed my sourdough starter and discard. Watched the lettuce grow rapidly using rabbit poop hydroponics. Got some herbs ready for my upcoming speaking event in Harmony, North Carolina. Sold some elderberry clippings. Sold some baby rabbits. Penelope and Rapunzel actually ate out of my hand. Little Quincy loves to eat. Watch the other goats play. Did some laundry. Watched the ducks play. Planted potatoes and onions. Made cheese from the goat milk. Dieted some more. Did some bee stuff. Milked Miss Butter twice a day. Watched spring enter. What a beautiful sign of spring. Made herbal salves and herbal lip balms to sell at my next speaking events. This one is comfrey and calendula. Picked some mustard for the rabbits. Watched Penelope and Rapunzel play. Made some cream cheese and mozzarella. Austin, butter, and Oopsie. Oopsie waiting on Mama to be milked. Saying goodbye to Yarrow and Sage as they are getting new homes today. I made tallow lotion bars to sell at the next speaking event. Watered the plants. Did more laundry. Tried to get the new manual cream separator to work with no luck. And watched as the day turned into night and the world went to sleep. We hope you have enjoyed just a taste of what has happened this weekend. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm. It would really help us out if you would.